Which day is today? Do you know? I think it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. But do you know how we say this in French? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. How we say these things in French? Do you want to learn? Let's learn together. Okay, so I'm gonna speak very slowly and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Okay, so the first is lundi. Lundi. Lundi is Monday. Okay, it's not Sunday. I know most of the times in English we start from Sunday, but here we start from Monday. So lundi is Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Yes, good going. Lundi. Mardi. Mardi. It's R, little bit. Okay. Mardi. It's Tuesday. It's not Monday. I know it's starting from Mardi, so you must be thinking Monday, but it is Tuesday. Mardi is Tuesday. Mardi. Très bien. Mercredi. 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 It is Wednesday. Mercredi. Wednesday. Next is jeudi. Jeudi is Thursday. Jeudi. Yes, c'est très facile. It's very easy. Jeudi. That is Thursday. Then next is Friday. So Friday is vendredi. 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 That is Friday. Yes. The next is samedi. Samedi. That is Saturday. S for samedi, S for Saturday. Bit similar. So it is samedi. Samedi. That is Saturday. Samedi. Good. And now next is dimanche. Dimanche. Dimanche is Sunday, favorite day. Dimanche, that is Sunday. Très bien, right? So lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Encore une fois, répétez, d'accord? One more time, repeat. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, now you see every time, when I say lundi, mardi, all these things are ending with di, right? But dimanche is starting with di. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, right? All these things are ending with di, and dimanche is starting with di. Dimanche. Alright, so it was about these days, right? How we say. Okay, so I think now you are a bit familiar with lundi, mardi, mercredi, right? Okay, which one is your favorite day? Okay, that's great. My favorite day is vendredi. Vendredi is what? Friday. Because after Friday you have a hope that is Saturday, then Sunday, that is samedi, and dimanche is weekend, right? So samedi, dimanche is weekend. That when 2 days are there, right, that makes weekend. Okay, so vendredi is my favorite day, and my daughter, she says, I don't know why she says my favorite day, Mama, my favorite day is Tuesday. That is, Tuesday is mardi. Lundi, mardi, right? So mardi is Tuesday. Okay, so now let's play a game. You have to guess which day is missing from here. Okay, now first list is, just check carefully, okay? Yes, which one is missing? Yes, it is mercredi. Mercredi is missing from here. Mercredi is Wednesday. Très bien. That is Wednesday. Now one more time, let's see. Now read it carefully. Which day is missing? It's very easy. C'est très facile. Yes, this is jeudi. Jeudi is Thursday. Jeudi, Thursday. Très bien. Now I believe you have learnt these, and let's repeat these 7 days of the week again. So let's get started. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Très bien. Okay, so I want to give you a suggestion. If you want to, because we learn any language with practice only. So if you want to learn it, just wherever you are writing Monday, just write Lundi on your diary, or anywhere you are making some notes or anywhere, just write down, instead of Monday or Somvar, just write down Lundi. Okay, and if it's Tuesday, then write down Mardi. This way you can learn better. Okay, and practice and practice and practice. Okay, see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir. Okay, so if you like my channel and you want to learn more French lessons, then just subscribe my channel French with Loveleen, and the subscribe button is just here below, red button. Okay, just press it and you will get more videos. Even these videos you can check. These are basic videos. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.